අස්මෝ You can put into this. Put in this. We are doing a real cooking class. So we are at Palgatan, the Management Center. So today is a special day for this center because there are more than 150 people who has come here to save their lives from the Palgatan disaster. So this place we are making dinner. So the specialty is we have two foreigners who also came this way and has lost their way and they cannot get out from Palgatan. They have come in a tuk-tuk. So we gave a place for them and they're also staying with us and you saw we are making dinner. Just
Yeah.